You're getting to be a big boy.
I'm just a kid who's 4. Each day I grow some more. I like exploring, I'm Caillou. So many things to do. Each day is something new. I'll share them with you, I'm Caillou. My world is turning, changing each day. With Mommy and Daddy I'm finding my way. Growing up is not so tough, except when I've had enough. But there's lots of fun stuff, I'm Caillou. Caillou, Caillou, I'm Caillou. That's me!
And me!
And me! And me!
Good morning.
Buenos dias.
Buenos dias.
Yes, that's Spanish, and it means good day.
Spanish.
I've decided to make the whole day different, fun.
Well, I woke up thinking of a riddle, but I can't remember the answer.
How does the riddle go?
Well, it goes like this. What did the huge hippopotamus say to the tiny ladybug when the ladybug asked the hippo to help him across the river?
I don't know.
No, me neither. I can't remember it. But I remember how funny it was.
I can see that.
What are you laughing at, Teddy?
Well, it's this really funny riddle.
Tell me, I love riddles.
Okay.
Well, come on, I want to know.
I'm trying. It's just so funny.
Well, what's funny?
Okay. Here it is. What did the huge hippopotamus say to the tiny ladybug when the tiny ladybug asked the hippo to help her across the river?
Well, what did he say?
I forget.
I don't get it. The hippopotamus says, I forget. Oh, well, yeah, that's funny. Yeah, that's really, really funny.
No, that's not funny. The punchline is.
What's the punchline?
The line at the end. But I forget.
I don't get it. I really don't get it, Teddy.
I just don't want it to be the same old day.
Gilbert, oh, there you are. Gilbert, I need help. I need help. I don't get why Teddy is laughing so hard at his joke.
Oh, he's laughing because he remembers how much he laughed when he heard it the first time, but he can't remember now.
Oh, is there something happening today that I don't know about?
No, I just decided I'm only doing things I don't usually do today, just for laughs.
Well, I like the sound of that. Oh, maybe I can do something to make everybody laugh too.
Oh, maybe.
Okay. I can't think of anything funny to do. This is serious. Oh, so silly. You look ridiculous.
Perfect. Still can't think of it? Too bad. It sounds like it was really funny.
Gee, I want to do something silly and laugh too, but the more I think about it, the more I can't think of anything funny, and that's making me feel sad.
This is killing me. There's nothing funny about not remembering the punchline.
I know! Wish I could understand what's so funny. I don't get it.
Well, you don't get it because he forgot.
I still don't get it.
Oh, well, you see what's What's so funny is that Teddy remembers it was funny, but he actually can't remember what the punchline is. That's so silly. It's making me laugh.
Well, maybe the hippo said, I don't know if I can take you.
That's it. The pressure. I don't know if I can take the pressure. Pressure meaning weight, too heavy, and pressure meaning responsibility, keeping him safe.
That's not very funny.
I know.
Well, I still don't get the joke, but seeing you two laugh so hard is making me feel like laughing too.
Well, laughter is contagious.
Oh, is this funny? Would Caillou laugh at this? I was sad because I didn't know how to be funny, and now I'm being funny without even trying.
Well, funny is like that. Oh, I just knew this day would be different.
Yippee! It's time to celebrate!
Perfect.
Ode to a daisy. Oh, this is going to be good. Now, what rhymes with great elation? That means terrific happiness. That's tricky.
I miss Caillou when he's gone. Oh, well, I guess when you're off doing exciting things like going to the beach, you don't miss a tiny little dinosaur. Oh, I'm so lonely. I have nobody to play with. They're gonna love this. There we go.
Oh, I can do this. I know I can. Let's see. Great elation. Oh, boy, this is causing me frustration. Huh? Elation? Frustration? They rhyme! Oh, but then that doesn't go with how I feel about the daisy. Frustration is a kind of disappointment, and, well, I feel fabulous about this little daisy. Got to think.
There's nothing much to do when Caillou's away. Everybody has something to do but me. Oh, this is going to be the perfect surprise. I can't wait for Gilbert and Rexy to see this.
Oh, this is hopeless. Odes are hard to write. Poets have trouble making rhymes sometimes.
No Caillou, no Rosie, Gilbert writing an ode, and Teddy had to work on a project. I haven't got any friends today. It's enough to make me feel like a sad little dinosaur.
Great elation, great elation. Oh, there must be something that would rhyme with that. What did you do that for?
Celebration! Huh? Celebration.
Celebration of what?
Well, you need a reason to celebrate? But I...
Oh, what was I thinking of when I walked in? Oh, yes. A rhyme for great elation. And you said celebration, and I said great elation. You said celebration. Great elation, celebration. Oh, get it?
Not really.
They rhyme. They rhyme. Oh, listen. Great elation, celebration. Hear it?
What's happening?
We're having a celebration.
We are? Oh, we are? But I thought you said...
Well, now we have a reason to celebrate. You finished my rhyme, see? It goes like this. Ode to a daisy. Daisy, daisy, daisy. I feel great elation every time I look at you. It's a celebration that rhymes.
Whoa, well, I'm ready. We got decorations, we have food, and friends. Happy celebration! Oh, great! A celebration! What's a celebration? A party. All right. And I've got all of you to celebrate with. I'm not lonely anymore.
When good things happen, it's time to celebrate.
Oh, you okay?
Fine. I'm fine.
Smells like it's going to be a beautiful day.
Smells the same to me.
Well, might as well enjoy it.
Gilbert is one of my best friends, my hero. I want to be just like him. That's not easy. He's fast and can do lots of things. And I can't. But I'll try.
Gotta keep these claws in good condition.
Oh, yeah. Just hate it when they're not.
Rexy, you don't have claws. I mean, claws like mine.
Oh, right. Oh, now that is going to be tricky.
I've never seen you up a ladder before. Be careful.
I can do it.
Okay. Oh, I forgot to check my food bowl.
Huh? Oh, being Gilbert's friend is harder than I thought. Oh, but there's no way I'm eating cat food.
Oh, hi, Rexy. You seem to be everywhere today.
I do?
Uh-huh. Well, I feel an ode coming on. Got to be ready for it.
Odes. Yes. I need a notepad and pencil.
Oh, are you drawing a picture?
Well, I'm,
Well, you're welcome to be here, Rexy, but you need to be quiet because I'm creating an ode.
right.
Oh, the garden is so inspirational today.
Oh, inspirational. It sure is. What's inspirational mean, Gilbert?
Oh, it means it's full of great ideas for my ode.
Oh, it sure is.
Yes.
Yes.
I knew you were up to something. Why are you copying me?
Oh, well, Teddy's off with Caillou at Grandma's, and, well, you're one of my best friends, and I wanted to be like you, do things like you.
Oh, Rexy, you don't have to do anything but be yourself to be my best friend. It's just that right now I'm creating a brilliant ode.
I am too, just like you.
You've written an ode.
Uh-huh.
Like me.
Uh-huh.
Well, then let's hear it.
Right now?
Why not?
Okay. But Gilbert,
Yes?
I'm just a little dinosaur trying really hard to be an old rider like you.
Oh, and I would love to hear it.
Okay. It goes like this. Ode to an old riding cat.
Oh.
You're a cat. That's that. You're not a bat or a rat. Just a cat that likes to do a lot of old riding. Do you like it?
If I might just make the teeniest suggestion.
Oh, sure.
Well, that last line should rhyme with bat and rat.
Oh, then it should end in cat.
May I?
Oh, go ahead.
You're a cat. That's that. You're not a bat or a rat. Just an ode writing cat.
Wow.
Well,
Gilbert.
I've been doing it for quite a while.
Oh, when I grow up, I'm going to be just like you.
Oh, Rexy. If you're going to be just like me, we have to work on that hug. Oh, my.
Oh, my.
Let's make smiles happen.
You know, it's pretty rare that a beautiful fall day goes by and there's nothing to do.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe we could play a game.
I just want to enjoy the garden.
Yeah, I feel like being outside too, but
Aren't there any games we can play outside?
Well, no, not like checkers or cards.
None?
Well, none that I can think of. I mean, we could play ball,
Oh, yeah, ball. Let's play ball.
but I don't feel like it today.
Oh.
yeah, we played a lot of ball lately.
What about something else?
I can't really think of anything that sounds fun.
Oh.
Of course, there was a game that left me behind a tree where I had a lovely snooze and...
Hide and seek!
Oh, that's exactly it!
Sounds like fun!
Oh, great! Hide and seek. What's hide and seek?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come. Rexy.
You can't find me.
Rexy, I can't miss you. You have to hide your whole body.
Oh, oh, Teddy. Sorry.
Humphrey!
Oh, Teddy, Gilbert said home free. See?
Yeah. All right, who's next?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
10.
10. Ready or not, here I come.
Humphrey! Oh, you'll have to be faster than that.
Okay, I'll be faster with Teddy. Teddy, wait for me.
Humphrey!
Well done.
Oh, Teddy, you didn't even give me a chance.
Well, I'm not supposed to.
Okay, I'll be it this time.
Good.
Okay.
Here we go.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come. 1, 2, 3 on Teddy.
Oh, how'd you see me?
I caught you peeking. Huh? I can hear you, Rexy.
Oh, no.
Run, Rexy, run!
I'm not sure you fully understand this game, Rexy.
But when he got closer, I got so excited it made me laugh.
Try to be quiet, Rexy, and race for home. You have to get here to home base before him. That's how you do it.
Right. Okay, I've got it this time.
Okay, well, I'm it. You guys find a good place to hide because we bears are great at hunting.
I'm going to find a great hiding place.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
All right, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Shh, he'll hear you.
Okay.
Home free!
Oh, okay, but I'm looking for Rexy. Oh. Now, what would make 2 carrots shake like that? Curious for sure. Oh, dear.
I think we're playing 2 different games.
We are?
Oh, yes.
Some of us are playing hide and seek.
Yes, but another of us is playing hide and hug.
That's me.
Could be the start of a whole new game.
Oh yes, hide and hug.
I didn't.
You're good at that.